So here's your Photoshop tutorial here on how you will do your Photoshop um, files. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the file, the Photoshop file that has um, the layout I already did for it. I'm guessing it's in images, and I'm guessing that's it right there. It's downloading. It's about 3 megs. And you can use FileZilla to do this. Again, I'm working on a Mac, so things will be slightly different, but the general concept's the same. So we fire open the file. There we go. We can see that inside of Photoshop here we have, our text layers and our, background layers. Turn those on and off. To get the cut, I'd leave the little area blank right there. We can take the text on and off. If you want to edit the text, you can click the little T tool here, go in here and write whatever you want there. Leave that as limited edition products, so you can change your advertisements as you want. If you want to move things around, there's a little tool right here, this one, little arrow, and you just move it up wherever you want. Say you want to change the exclusive item one, you click over here on the layers palette, and then you again you can click that little T button here and click that and edit that as necessary. Edited text here, if you want to do things like that, which is really simple. If you know how to use Word, you can do it. So I'm just going to leave that as is. This right here is the key to it all, is this mask. So this layer right here is the background layer. But what we do is we've got the little girl here, so we can put these in by activating each of these layers. Now here is the fun part. So say I want to add a new image. So let's just say we'll go to the internet here and grab an image. Images, tut, and say we were going to put this little lady in there. So we take this down, and we just drag the little lady in there, like so. She goes in. Let's position her in about the right position, like that. Hit enter, and she's right there. See the images layer right there? You can double click it and rename it if you'd like. But if you just move it up here to this level right there, crops it right out. And you've got your little rounded corners and whatnot, and there it is. So that's pretty much all there is to it with this this Photoshop file and how you want to update that battery.psd. If you want to save it for the system for upload, so you can put it in there, you would just swap. You would start from themes, candy, down to IMG, down to images, rename this one to .old, and we would upload the one we just saved, and we go back to here, to our browser, refresh, and there we have it. A little bit of editing on the edge, you'd have to clean that up actually. That's such a cute little kid there. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll go up to back to Photoshop here, open that file back up, and on the edge here we would just erase this thing on the background. It's really not going to affect anything here. It's all white anyways. And then save it as whatever. So there you go. There's your Photoshop tutorial on how to use that mask. You can just swap that out, swap that thing like that. And the cool thing about this method is you can just name this one .new and this one back to this one back to just regular .ping, and you're back to normal because